high tempo synergy. All right, starting this edition with the top focus story. A chaotic morning unfolded this morning at the Indira Gandhi International Airport, with over 100 flights being delayed due to a technical glitch in the air traffic control system. Efforts are ongoing to resolve the issue. The Airports Authority of India has said that the disruptions are due to a technical issue in the automatic message switching system, which supports the air traffic control data. Republic has now accessed exclusive visuals from inside the airport showing the deserted look post the glitch. 42 flights, 34 domestic and nearly 8 international flights are holding at the parking stands, currently awaiting a clearance from the ATC. That's the latest details that we are picking up as far as the chaos on IGI is concerned. To give you more detailed information, there are a total of 42 flights, 34 domestic and 8 international that are holding at the parking stand. Among these, the T1 airport, the T1 tarmac is holding 17 flights, the T2 is holding nearly 8 flights, and T3, from which domestic and international both flights carry on, are holding 9 domestic and 8 international flights. Harsha and Chandrakala, both of us are joining us live on the broadcast on that note. Harsha, first to you, since you've been tracking aviation for quite some time now. What is the update so far as the technical snag has been concerned? Has the Airport Authorities of India issued any statement on when can this be resolved?
Glitch with the AMSS system, which directly connects to the ATS which directly tells the pilot in command and the flight when to land, where to land, and what is the runway position, and everything is automated right now at Delhi Airport, because AMSS system in each and every computerized system of each and every airline is connected directly to the ATC, which is the air traffic controller. Now, because the system is not working, there's a glitch in the system. So since early morning, the airlines have been facing the malfunction. They are unable to take off, they are unable to land the particular aircraft, and that is the reason everything is happening now manually. We've got the recent update at the Delhi Airport glitch. We have got to know almost 42 flights are on hold because of this malfunction. There are passengers who have not taken off since morning. Like, let's say the passengers were supposed to board the aircraft at around 8 o'clock. Now till now they are waiting. Now these data which we have given on our screen of the 42 flights, in which there are several at T1, T2, T3, international flights are 8, domestic airlines are 34. All these airlines right now are grounded. They are at the parking bay at the Delhi airport. None of them have got the clearance to leave from the airport, to depart from Delhi airport, and that is a malfunction which ATC is trying to figure out right now. But till the time the AMS system, the automated system at the Delhi airport, till this automated system will not function properly, till that time the passengers will have to face this inconvenience, because the ATC can't guide the flights manually each and every time to tell them the flight location, the runway location, the parking location, or monitoring in the air traffic as well. So this is a very important system which directly connects to ATC, and that is the reason the flights have been delayed. There's a Delhi technical glitch at the IGI airport which is going on, and the authorities are trying to fix it. But it's been more than 5 hours since morning that this glitch has caused severe, immense inconvenience to most of the passengers. Back to you.
Right, Harsha. In fact, Chandrakala is also joining us live. Chandrakala, I believe you are there at the IGI airport. If you can talk to some passengers about what are the kind of difficulties that they're facing, and if the specific airlines from which they are traveling has issued any response yet.
The fact is, we are at the T3 terminal right now. We were at the terminal 1 where the passengers were moving freely. Of course, the situation was worse during the morning time, actually. Now then, since efforts are underway to fix this issue, what we have learned that a few international flights has been delayed, and now we'll try to speak to a few passengers here as to what is exactly the status of their flight. Ma'am, is there any issue with your flight? Is there any delay regarding your flights? Where are you traveling to right now?
मैम, मेरी बेटी गई है जर्मनी. उसकी फ़्लाइट लगभग 1 घंटे डिले हुई है. 1:30 की फ़्लाइट थी, अभी 2:40 हुआ है. तो अभी डिले हुआ है, जिससे वो थोड़ा परेशान तो है. क्योंकि जब वहाँ पहुँचेगी तो रात हो चुकी होगी और वहाँ की जो ट्रेन होगी वो मिस हो जाएगी, तो उसे रात में ये कहीं होटल लेकर रहना पड़ जाएगा, तो ये प्रॉब्लम तो आएगी हमें।
So as you can see that a few passengers are really worried. I mean, she has just shared about one of her daughter traveling for Germany, and the flight has been delayed. Now that the point is, we have seen the advisory being put out by Delhi Airport saying that efforts are underway to fix this particular issue, and this technical, the air traffic control system. There is a technical issue with the air traffic control system, and flight operations are somehow experiencing delays in Delhi Airport right at this moment. What advisory that we have seen being put out by Delhi Airport is that the passengers were asked to be in touch with the respective airlines. So we hope that this particular issue will be sorted out. And what we are learning that now the movement is free. Now, of course, people are now moving freely. But yes, there are certain issues that will be fixed very soon. There are certain flights, especially international flights, which has been delayed, and more than 100 flights, as we know, that has been delayed right at this moment.
Right, Chandrakala. Yes, on that.